chimbwa hase ekiombe kyo bochori ne chimbe bega Kenya kya Iebc ya sukuri Bosio ekina Ankio mujumbe wense mu bunge ya Nakuru Town East David Gikaria ekyo kya mubodirie konyara koba kago kitanyara koba kego korekana rero haine kibuna Goika Bosio bwe committee yorit koria Ankio chinsa isato chamambia Gikaria NIGO bono akageire kubwatoka CHINKWANA chugo segeta CHISEGI asense mu bunge ya Olkalau ayigama iga yo mu bunge yo gutuma homokonyo ye na boigo umwakili oye Goika Bosio we committee yo asomo wakili anyara kobaga goteba Iebc tia mwariganetie boikiranu umubungo yo boiga sebono batebire nigo arwete hase bono niboseni garwarite hase bono asaba committee yo chingaki anyara kobaga kuyarigane gochikwa Bosio we committee.
The fourth strand upon which the Council for Honorable Gikaria premised his application for adjournment is that the evidence to be relied upon or to be served upon him. Indeed, this was done. Regrettably, the email that was used, we have just been informed, that is no longer in use by the Honorable Member of Parliament. Article 50 grants every accused person the unfettered right to a fair hearing. Article 47 equally reinforces this by demanding that there must be fair administrative action. As a committee, we operate strictly within the law. And where the rights of any individual is about to be trampled upon, we must bend over backwards to accommodate that particular request. It is therefore the decision of this committee that on that basis alone, and I emphasize, on that basis alone, it has been decided that these proceedings will adjourn until tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. on the dot, that the Honorable Member may present himself so that these proceedings may commence. For emphasis, the only ground upon which this adjournment is being granted is to grant the Honorable Member the last chance to get his day before this committee, and this is predicated on Article 50 and Article 47 and all other enabling provisions of the law. On that basis, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, we adjourn, and this matter will proceed tomorrow, 9 a.m. right here. Council will be served, since it's now on record, you'll be served, particularly with this one document, which is the evidence that we rely upon, you'll be served, and together with what was served to your client, so that tomorrow there is no reason whatsoever why we should not proceed. Please be reminded that election matters are time sensitive, and we cannot afford to dilly-dally where we have done our work right. In this case, we grant you the space.
Bosio have a many kurwase